Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear fellows, welcome to the session of freelance content writing. And today is our first class. In this class, our focus will be mainly on learning the basics of content writing and how to work as a content writer, as well as how to get the work from the clients and the different freelancing platforms. So let's begin the session. First of all, we must understand what is the content writing and who is the content writer. Well, writing anything like an article, a story, an essay, a product review, contents for a blog or a website is called the content writing. Whereas the writer is termed as the content writer, or we can also say freelance content writer who is working on the web. Before we indulge in today's session, let's have a look at the contents of this training first. Our main focus will be to learn what is content writing, online and offline content writing, local and international content writing, how much can you earn from the freelance content writing, how to make money with your own website by writing the contents, what does it take to become a successful content writer on internet, content writing for blogs and different websites, writing freelancing articles, project proposals for different NGOs and organizations, email marketing contents, digital advertisement substance writing, paid product writing and reviews for different websites, story and the essay writing for content writing websites, free verse writing for the books, technical writing for technology-based sites, blogs and products, how to avoid the top 10 content writing mistakes, latest writing hacks to produce the quality contents quickly without any effort, how to become the content writer without even having the writing skills, difference in content writing and the copywriting, 4 ways to capture email addresses from different sites and blogs, strategies for finding the online work, and much more. And inshallah, at the end of this course, you will be ready to earn a handsome amount of money by writing some quality contents for the blogs, websites, as well as local platforms available to you. How much you should be educated to write the contents that sell like a hot cake? Well, to be very honest, education level does not matter at all in content writing. Maybe a PhD fellow would not be able to write as lucratively as a metric pass student could write. As we have discussed already, you must have number 1, writing skills, number 2, creative mind to think about different ideas, and number 3, the grip on English language. But it's not difficult. You may find many training clips on our Facebook group to improve your English as well as creativity. Before we proceed, let me tell you the requirements for the content writing. The hardware and the software requirements for the content writing business are probably a laptop or a simple desktop PC, internet facility, a rich text editor like Microsoft Word, any version, the search engine optimization and the content checker tools like plagiarism checker, the keyword spinner, the spellings, grammar and vocabulary checker, lexical range of vocabulary to produce a good topic, social media suggest tools, and the white smoke auto content generator, etc. We will discuss their details and how to use them, as well as we will also provide you all the software tools in the next sessions inshallah when we will proceed. Let's discuss how to start the content writing business. Well, we can start freelancing content writing business at 3 levels. Level 1, freelance content writing on Facebook. Level 2, personal freelancing website. And level 3, establishing direct contact with international clients to continuously getting the orders. Remember, it is not necessary to jump from level 1 to level 2 and level 3, because if you work devotedly, even you may get success in level 1 or maximum in level 2 as well. First, we are going to talk about level 1, that is the freelance content writing on the Facebook. Well, surely all of you have the Facebook accounts. Now, what we have to do for getting the clients who may order us? We will search on the Facebook search box by writing the queries like, I need content writer for my blog, I want to hire article writer, urgently require the freelancers, I need a story writer, who can write the product reviews for me, I need a writer for my magazine, newspaper, or maybe a ghost writer for my book. Then join their groups and send them the offers to provide your writing services at reasonable rates. I have already provided the offer letters in MS Word, and you can search in Parkim's freelance group on the Facebook by searching the offer letter to the buyers. Send the offers as much as you can and then negotiate with them to understand the requirements from the client. Write according to the client's requirements and deliver before the deadline. As far as the payment for your services on the Facebook is concerned, you can use EasyPaisa or the Jazz Cash Card for the local clients, or the Payoneer or your bank account can also be used for both local as well as the international clients to receive the payments. Now, an important issue: how to write the contents? Well, the answer is quite simple. When you're hungry, what do? Obviously, you go to kitchen to eat something. Similarly, you need to invest the time in learning the content writing by improving the writing skills in English, learning the typing in Microsoft Word, reading a lot of articles, stories, essays and blogs on internet, writing the current issues on a daily basis to build your portfolio, which will show to your clients as a proof of your writing skills. Well, we know very well that this is the age of social media. So if we limit ourselves to the Facebook and the LinkedIn for the content writing business, I can assure you within the struggle of 3 to 4 months, we would be able to earn handsome money and no need to do any other job. Believe me, it is such type of job in which no computer skills are concerned, no hard work is required. Simply we have to use our mind to create the creative ideas and the future will belong to us. Level 2. Freelance content writing websites. These websites work just like Facebook groups. The clients come to these websites, they post their requirements and the budget. Then you read their requirements and send them the offers. If they accept your offer, then you write the content, deliver it and receive the payments. If you work with a proper routine, then I feel this level is enough for you to earn your livelihood and no need to jump to the level 3. Some of such websites pay very well and they are the scam free. As a beginner, I suggest that these websites are best to take initiative as they don't need any prior experience of writing most of them. Level 3. Establishing the direct connection with the potential clients. Potential clients are the contractors who get the orders from the local market, hire you to write for them, deliver back and get their commission from the customers. This type of service is called the outsourcing. Again, how to find such contacts? Well, it's a secret that I will share with only those fellows who will show some results on the Facebook at least. What type of contents you are supposed to write? Well, it could be SEO writing for the social media, blog content writing, copywriting for the different sites, technical writing for the scientific magazines, business to business writing, website contents like fashion, boutique and schools websites, social media marketing contents. It could be ads and the sales, posters, flyers, export industry contents, journalistic contents for the newspapers and the TV programs, and it could also be the creative writing for the new technology or any product. Now come to the most important and the real issue, our reward. Yes, how much can you earn from the freelance writing? Freelance writing is a business. There is no specific standards being set for its earning. Hence, it depends upon the quality of your written contents and the arrangement of ideas. But on average, in the local market, you can easily make 60,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees per month. And at international level, you can make double or even 5 times more as compared to the local market. I always say, think globally, act locally. You can make 1 lakh rupees to even 5 lakh rupees, and some people are making even more than 5 lakh rupees. Yes, it's true. I'm not telling you a fun, and inshallah we will discuss with a proof how the people are they making lakhs of rupees just only writing the topics on internet. As we started today our first class, I would suggest all my brothers and sisters to not only watch and read but act upon the instructions that I have provided. And I am giving a quite basic task to write to all of you. Kindly write it, beautify with a rich vocabulary and the proper sentence structure, and submit this assignment till tomorrow. And the topic is my autobiography from the birth till now. An interesting topic or not? Indeed it is. Write about your childhood, where were you born, about your family background, about your parents, your brothers and your sisters, where did you get your elementary, middle and higher education, about your hobbies, what did you achieve in your life and what have you lost, your future planning and so on. Well, I feel that I have told you 90% topic already. Now the rest of the topic is your job. I hope that you got basic idea about freelance content writing. So see you again in the next session. Jazakallah khair and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.